Welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. We have an extensive library of tutorials for all the top WordPress page builders. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you can see them when they come out. Okay, now on to today's tutorial.
Today we're going to go over how to overlay a transparent header menu on top of a hero section with Beaver Builder. We're going to take Tesla's design as an example. This tutorial is mostly centered around the header, but we have another video that goes into detail on how to create a hero section using Beaver Builder, which we will link below in this video. Okay, let's begin. First, head to your WordPress dashboard, then hover over Appearance and select Customize. Overlaying a header can add a touch of modernity to your web page or document. Simply create a new layer for the header text and position it on top of your background image. Adjust the text size, font, and color to your liking, ensuring it stands out against the background. When clicking the pen icon of the header, you'll be redirected to the primary header where you can customize on its design and adjust the height. When removing the white background and implementing an overlay, go to Header Builder. Navigate to the Transparent Header option. In the General Settings, you'll find a toggle to enable or disable where the header appears.
Hey, we've got a quick favor to ask. If you've made it this far into that tutorial, please smash that like button. It will really help out this channel and these tutorials. Okay, now back to the actual tutorial. Thank you.
Next, head to the Design section where you can customize the entire header, including its color, background, and overall appearance. Adjust the background overlay to reduce its opacity. This will remove the white background and create an overlay effect. As you can see, the header is overlaid on top of the hero section. This provides an easy way to implement the overlaid header. There are numerous options available to customize the appearance of the header, such as adjusting the background and colors for the menu, submenu, social icons, and more. Additionally, you can replace the icon by clicking on it. To make the header full width, navigate to the Design settings and select Full Width instead of Content Width. There you have it. An easy step-by-step guide on overlaying the header on top of the hero section. By following these simple steps, you can elevate the design of your WordPress website with a sleek, modern header reminiscent of Tesla's website.
Okay, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And these videos take a lot of time, so if you do appreciate the content, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so we can reach more people. Thank you. And if you have any comments or questions, leave in the section below and we will get to them as soon as we can. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.